Hi British Vogue, I'm Charlie XCX and this is what's in my bag.
Hello everyone, we're back. We are back. I'm so excited for today's video because it's OG YouTube and back to school mashed together, my favorite. I'm gonna be doing a what's in my backpack. I am going into my sophomore year of college. Disgusting. She's so beautiful. I'm so excited to show you guys this beautiful little girl. Let's get started with this what's in my backpack. I'm so excited. This is my backpack, guys. She is a mini Kipling. Look at her. She's beautiful. She's gorgeous. You want her. I have had this backpack since junior year and she has stuck by me junior year, senior year, freshman year of college, and now my sophomore year of college, and she's in pristine condition, and trust me, she has been used and abused. I just got this black version, but look, she's tiny. She fits everything that you need and she does not hurt your back. Like, she's perfect. She's literally the perfect backpack. On my backpack, I have this pink little clip. When you're at school, girl, I don't care if you did your hair, the bitch is going up. The bitch is going up. Like, I'm sweating, I'm stressed. So here's my clip. This is also from a pack from Amazon. They comes with like a lot. Literally just search up pack of flower clips. These hoes will come up. It just looks so gorgeous. Now for my little charms and stuff. So on the backpack, every Kipling backpack comes with a little fuzzy monkey. I don't know why. The gorilla is naked. She's naked. I have this little charm right here. My sister got it from the LA Glossier location and is this little keychain that's actually a mirror. It's this little phone. I don't know. I thought it was really cute. My sister also has the charm. Then the last thing, I have a squishy attached to my backpack. This is so me. I used to be a squishy collector. I have a box full of them and I feel like it's just such a cute little girly touch to my backpack. It adds a little bit of personality. Okay, to start off, they also have another pocket here at the top. I used to put my like headphones, like my wired headphones in here, and that's pretty much all I would put in here, but like it like is pretty big, honestly. This front pocket. Okay, so usually I would probably have my phone in there. So this is she's so beautiful. She's so perfect. I have a baby pink Apple silicone phone case. I absolutely love it. I love how sleek and beautiful she is. Let's be honest here. Usually I'm holding my phone or I have it like in my back pocket or something. But if I am gonna have to put my phone away, like if there's like an exam or like for I don't know what reason I have to put my phone away, she's probably going in the front pocket because it's easy to just like take in, take out, whatever. What I actually have in here is my wallet. This is a Dior wallet. She's so cute. She's so beautiful. My sister has another wallet similar to this, so whenever she's not using this one, she lets me use it. So I have been using it as my everyday wallet recently. And then I have a chapstick. You need chapstick when you're in school. And I just like this one because it's simple. It doesn't have a tint, like whatever. It's just easy. It's gonna heal my lips. It's gonna make them feel better. Okay, now for this second pocket. This one's a little bit bigger, but she's, again, still not too crazy. In here, I have a little bit more things. I have a hand cream. This is EOS hand cream. This one is Fresh and Cozy. I used to not be a hand cream girl. My mom always had hand cream in her bag and I never really understood why, but now that I do put it on every so often, it feels so nice. Mostly if you have like dry skin. I have pretty dry skin, so just refreshing throughout the day is lovely, 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 lovely. This honestly feels amazing. Next in here, I have my glasses. These are my glasses, but I love my glasses. They're so cute and they help me see because I am quite literally legally blind. The next thing that I have in here is a little bag, a little tote bag. Hello? But it's the mini little tote bag and you can add it as a keychain. This pocket actually has like a string where you can attach stuff to, and I actually have this crystal that my best friend gave me when she went to Mexico. But in my little bag, I use this for my lip products. I have this e.l.f. Glow Reviver lip oil. I have this mini Summer Fridays lip balm. This is in vanilla beige. I absolutely love this. And then I also have the Laneige in berry. This is their lip glowy balm. I just have a lip liner in here again just to line my lips a little bit. Perfect. Now for the important part, the big mama, the big old zipper that actually is holding everything one needs. Let's see inside. Do you guys see this? It's a mountain. I have this little Dior bag. This is actually like a toiletry bag or like a makeup bag. In here, I just have my electronic-y things. So first things first, I have my MacBook charger because obviously you're gonna need it. I also have some wired headphones, and then I also have my AirPods, and the last thing is very much not tech things, but I have this cute little pearl clip. It just helps me stay a little bit more organized, just having everything kind of in the same place. Next, they're my pink AirPod Maxes, and they're so cute. I love these. Really trying to use these more. I bought these and really have not gotten that much use out of them, so I really want to get use out of them because they were not cheap, and I feel like I just wasted, and I've used them like literally like one time. And honestly, so many people take big headphones to school, like you would be surprised. Isolating from the world is so nice. So if you see me at school walking around with my big old headphones, don't talk to me.
Oh, back to school.
They're so cute though, I love that. Next, a book. This very much isn't a book that I need necessarily for school, but I do want to try to stay on campus a little bit longer. If I need to like pass time, whatever, I have a book to read. In this book, I actually have this cute little Polaroid that me and Miranda just took. I think it's so cute. I love it, and I'm just gonna use this as like my little bookmarker. And I think it's cute. I'm also just carrying her around in my backpack. My notebook. This is a 5-star notebook. This one is in white, but she was so boring and it just really was not giving me any type of motivation or excitement for school. I ordered a bunch of pink sticker bows. I went ham. I went crazy. It is too much. It is a little crazy, but I love it. They're overlapping each other. I really like this DIY. I feel like so creative. So like Laura DIY. I think it's so cute. Then I did the same with my folder. I got a 5-star white folder, but with this one, I kept it classy. So now it's just like an all white little folder with a pink bow. So cute. I love it. I mean, obviously, as a college student, even high school, this is just, it's obvious. It's a must. I have a computer. It's just the smallest one. I'm pretty sure this is the smallest one, but I use this for school. So this is my school computer. It's just the dark gray color. Now I can get into like all my little bags. So I have 1, 2, is that it? Oh, guess that's it. Which one should I show you guys first? This one. This is my pencil case, and it's just like this pink clear little makeup bag. I don't know. Let's see what's in here. I have 2 Post-its. I have this baby blue one, and then I have this baby pink one. I have 3 pens. These are literally the best pens ever. Then I have my 2 mechanical pencils. I have a black one. I have a pink one. Kind of muted baby pink spring colors for highlighters. I have some stickers. They're so cute. Like, hello. Okay, guys, the last bag. My Glossier Emergency School kit. If you want a full tour, you really want to know what's in this girl, then go watch my shopping for my emergency kit. Let's show you a little bit of what I did end up putting in here. Sol de Janeiro mini perfume, Advil, Polar Ice and Sweet Watermelon, mini Charlotte Tilbury powder, eyebrow gel powder puff, a hairbrush, a pad, and I have a panty liner, a face shaver. That was it. That was my tour of my sophomore year backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I have in my backpack this year. I might end up taking some stuff out, putting some stuff in. I don't know. We will see. But for now, this is what I have decided to put in my backpack. I love you guys all so much. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I love you guys. Bye.
Welcome to college, B. This is gonna be a blast.
Love, love, love.